Hi guys, welcome back to another Justmeta tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about AI images. We kind of brushed up on this a little bit with the AI article wizard, but today we're going to show you how you can generate anything you can imagine using the power of AI. So today we're going to go to this AI panel again, and we're going to go down to AI images. So once we're at AI images, you can see this is some stuff I was playing around with earlier, but it brings up this AI image generator. So one of the things that I want to point out before we get started over here is this blue box over here. So there's a lot of options. You can change the size of your image to make it more rectangular or more square or whatever. We also have image style. So you can specify a style if you want. So you can do realism, anime, pixel art, pencil drawings, pop art. There's a whole bunch of these here. Like some of my favorites are realism, cartoon, pixel art is really cool. I have a couple of examples of that down here. Digital art's always good. But you can play around with these and figure out what you like. I mean, we got really weird ones and we got some pretty standard ones. And, you can find out what you like. Something else we do is a lighting style here. This can be important if you're trying to give off a certain vibe, right? Because obviously you can use colder colors, warmer colors. It can look like it's in a studio. It can be pretty cinematic, And then we have image medium. So you can select between acrylic, canvas, chalk, a whole bunch of different things there. Then we have moods, right? This really impacts the type of response you get. And we have preset artist names. So if you have a favorite artist, like let's say Monet here, right? I can say flowers, and it will generate me an image of flowers in the style of Monet. So this can be very, very helpful if you're just trying to get something in the style of an already existing artist. So you see, this looks like the Monet I have hanging on my wall, and it's pretty cool, right? So that's awesome right there. So anyhow, like I said, you can play with these and you can get different kinds of results. So I'm going to just do a couple here for the fun of it. So let's say I want to do something that's cinematic, right? And the lighting style, we're going to make it kind of neon. Well, actually, let's go cinematic for that as well. And I don't want to select the image medium for this because I want it to be, what it is. And I want it to be kind of, I'm feeling kind of chilling, right? So let's do a New York street scene. And this will generate a New York street scene. Boom. So as you can see, it's pretty cinematic, and it's a little offsetting, it's a little chilling, it's a little dystopian, but pretty cool stuff. So how can you use this for business? So down here, I have a warehousing example, right? So if you're a logistics company and you want to put out a tweet and you need a photo for that tweet, here's a warehouse rack full of pallets in a cartoon style, right? Let's say you're a HR firm and you want to attract new employees. Here is a happy, diverse group of workers at a temp agency, right? So you see they're all happy. They're working hard here, and we got, an outcome. So like I said, you can play with all these different settings and get all different kinds of results. It's almost limitless, the kind of things you can generate. So I highly recommend checking out the AI images tool. This is included with your subscription package. Thank you guys so much for checking out this tutorial. There's going to be a whole bunch more because we have over 70 templates here on justmeta.com. AI images is a really important part of this, as it allows you to produce a lot of images for your blogs, for your social media, for your website, and it can really take your business to the next level. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll we'll see you in the next video.